This is a quick introduction to the Sentencing Guidelines app. The application does require an annual subscription to provide for judicial updates to the application. To obtain a subscription, just email support@ambay.com and we'll get that all set up for you. To download updates to the application, visit the updates page, tap on any items that need downloading. These will download and then disappear from screen. To get started with the application, we work from our court listing to make favourite the offences we're expecting to see within that court session. So for example, if we know we have an affray offence, we simply mark the favourite star next to that offence guideline. So we can use the index, we can scroll up and down this index. We can also grab the little side letter which will take us down through the index. We can also use the search facility to search specifically for an offence, and here we could, for instance, type in the word due for due care and attention, and we can make items favourite from the search results. So having used a very specific term which has brought back a single offence, you could also use a generic term such as theft, which will give you a list of all the theft offences or offences containing that term. And again, just marking the favourite star will make that available from our pop-up of favourites. So having completed our court listing, we're now ready for court to review the first offence. We just tap on the item from the favourites pop-up. We have Affray Public Order Act Section 3, and we can scroll through this offence guideline. We can see a little faint arrow on the right and left which takes us to the next or previous pages in the Magistrates Court Sentencing Guidelines. Once we've finished with this particular offence, we can tap the favourite button. We can select the next offence on our court listing, scroll through to view sections of this PDF, and when complete we can go on to the next offence on our court listing. So on to careless driving, and on to theft dwelling. Favourites can also be used for any other type of index inside the application, and the most common ones are displayed at the bottom. So we could have, for example, a favourite pronouncement. So if I close down my offence index, tap away and go down to pronouncements, we could make favourite a disqualification general. That would now appear within favourites for pronouncements. And that displays that disqualification general from favourites. That's a quick introduction to getting started with sentencing guidelines and how to use favourites.